Look, motherfucker. Fucking bullshit, dude. My alarm just went off, and I woke up. Dude. Motherfucker, bro. I just woke up. And as soon as I woke up, a fucking informant drove down the street to lie about me. And they were staying dating for these informants. They stalk my alarm. Like whenever I have an alarm set, they'll like stalk me and like fucking like wait outside of my home and wait for my fucking alarm to go off and shit. Fucking predators. Yeah, I've been recording myself sleeping. My alarm just went off. I just woke up. Does Mom know you got all that coffee? Huh? Ugh. We might as well just give it to her because she's the only one with a coffee pot. But also, she ain't got no coffee, so she'd appreciate it. Huh? What? What did you say?
I don't know.
Who the fuck's been out here? Who the fuck's shoes are those? Oh, that's fucking Billy. Hey, kitty. Where'd your box go? Move, Boogie.
They call her
Was Mom just over here?
What?
Was Mom just over here?
She wanted to have a 2 o'clock in the morning.
Nah, I heard. Okay, that's what I heard. Yeah, why? Where's the fucking little fucking black cat box?
Also, I got one last
That's amazing. Hey, I'm about to go back to sleep, dude. Cut that shit out.